Welcome to Tilhal Swayhan Sand Drag Race Centre, and we're going to be running some crazy off-road beasts down this sandy drag strip here in Abu Dhabi, thanks to Al Ain City Municipality. So here we have this thing that has 1700 horsepower. This one though, 4000 horsepower. This is going to be mad. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The Polaris RZR Pro R has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, 225 horsepower, 206 Newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive and a torque converter automatic gearbox. It weighs 1,050 kilograms and costs $39,000. The Can-Am Maverick R XRS has a 1-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine, 240 horsepower, 209 Newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. It weighs 1,100 kilograms and costs £42,000. So this is a little bit unusual. Never done this before, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're actually going to race over 100 meters just because after 100 meters the sand gets pretty sketchy and we could roll and I could die. In fact, I could still roll and I could still die, so it's definitely worth watching till the end of the video to see if there'll be any more of them. Sam, how are you feeling?
Good. It's hot in England, isn't it?
Normally in February it's pretty miserable, but it's actually turned out quite nice.
Yeah, we put some sand down. It just plays well, doesn't it?
It's really good of like Cornwall Council to let us do this.
It's good to be here.
Now, these vehicles are pretty closely matched. We've got similar horsepower, similar weight. They're both auto. Obviously as drivers, we've got very similar skill levels.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting. What do you think is going to happen? Anything.
We might crash and die before the first cone, who knows?
We're going to find out. We're going to start these things up. Never drag raced anything like this before, so your guess is as good as mine. Let's do it. Oh, do you know what we need to do?
Sound check.
I'm going to go first. 1 litre turbo, 3-cylinder. Let's have a listen to yours. Yeah, naturally aspirated 2 litre 4-cylinder. So I'm going in the Can-Am. Sam, you're in the
Polaris RZR.
Yeah, mine's the Maverick R. Which one sounds the meanest? Maverick R or RZR?
RZR. It's more racy.
The Maverick? That's like Top Gun.
Yeah, but it's planes.
It's so? Okay, shut up. Right, speaking of Top Gun.
See? Planes.
Yeah, right. Put yours on.
No, I don't have them.
What about sand in your eye?
Thanks, Under Armour.
Are you sponsored by Under Armour?
No, I'm about to be.
Right, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Come on! That was wicked! Right, Tick, race over. Let's go home.
Formal protest.
Oh, shut up.
I think you jumped.
No, I didn't.
No, I want another go though.
I'll let him have best 2 out of 3. Why not? Because that was so much fun, I want to do it again.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Oh, it's close this time. Come on! Come on! Come on! No! Oh, mate, that's 1 each.
I knew she had it in her.
Final race, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Got him. I think you might have been a bit slow off the line.
I was slow off the line. Formal protest. I'm calling a jump. I don't care about any forfeit you want. That was a jump.
Was I a bit anticipatory? How was that start?
You did slightly jump.
Matt jumped. Yeah, okay, I thought so.
Let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Sam, well done. You won. Best time of 3. Got to hand it to you. It was blooming close, though. There was no jump there, was there? He's jumped. You see Will's hands? Look, you can see him jumping already. Can you see him moving already? Samuel, guess what, mate? You jumped.
Ah!
Here we go. This is it. I've jumped. He's jumped. We're both a bit tense.
3, 2, 1.
Oi, come on! Come on! I don't think either of us jumped that time, finally.
Yeah, I think that was a pretty good launch. That's just got a little bit of legs, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's ever so slightly quicker, I think. But do you know what? I think we need to give you a chance. I've got more power than you, so we need to get you into something more powerful. I'm going to go in another Can-Am, you can go in another Polaris, but they'll both have more power.
Because that was lacking.
Yes. No.
Before our next race, a little message that could well help you if you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this Audi RS3 on Car Vertical. It's got green ticks for odometer and finance, but a damage warning. Why? It was previously involved in an accident and was a Cat S write-off. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code CARWOW for 20% off, or by following the link in the description. Now back to the race.
So we step things up a bit. We're in similar vehicles, this time 2-seaters, Sam.
Yeah.
That's not the main difference. So we've got the same engines, but they're tuned. This tuned Can-Am Maverick R XRS has a new turbo kit and is also running on ethanol. So it has 400 horsepower and 361 Newton meters of torque. With these upgrades, it costs $60,000. This tuned Polaris RZR Pro R has a new turbo, upgraded engine, new clutch and an ECU tune and is running on ethanol. So now it has 480 horsepower and 407 Newton meters of torque. With those upgrades, it costs $64,000. Let's have a little listen to them. They also have launch control. Oh, smells of methanol. These have been tuned by Ryan at Cybex. Go follow him. So I'm a little bit frightened. These are going to be a bit scary, I think. Are you a bit frightened, Sam?
I'm so scared I can't think.
You're not scared, you're a pro stunt driver. I'm scared, I'm just a motoring journalist who occasionally accelerates hard in a straight line. Right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Best 2 out of 3, Sam. 2 out of 3. I'm dead.
3,
So it's not happy, there's a diff knocking noise at the front.
A few moments later.
Four-wheel drive. It's gone. The drive shaft from back to front's toast. It did a funny thing where it dropped out of launch. I've still got to race Sam, so we're going to get something else to race him with. Right, so we've upped the ante somewhat. I'm here with NASA. Hello, NASA. This thing's crazy, isn't it?
It is.
1,700 horsepower. Do you think you're going to beat that?
Oh yeah, easy.
Ooh! The Funko GTU has a 7.4 litre twin turbo V8, 1700 horsepower, 1763 newton meters. It's rear wheel drive and has a 5-speed sequential gearbox. It weighs 1,200 kilograms and costs £300,000.
Do you know what? I'd love to run with you, but I'm too chicken, I'm too scaredy, so I'm going to just jump out. Don't want to add any extra ballast or weight. You know, I'm going to give you a fighting chance against Sam.
It's got a bit more horsepower than you, so it's got like 1700. But you're racing driver Sam, okay? Just never forget that, racing driver Sam. Good luck. Wow.
Wow, that's fast.
I don't know what happened. I'm quite glad I wasn't in that vehicle because it seemed to go quite sideways and I can't see it anymore, so I don't know where it is. I think Sam lost, but I don't know where the Funko's gone.
Did I win?
No, you didn't win.
No.
I thought you'd be more covered in sand than this.
My only objective was to stay
Away.
I mean, that's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous, but I don't think it's ridiculous enough. I think we need more ridicule. Okay, here we come to the main event. It's the blower, 8.5 litres, 4,000 horsepower. We're going to run it down the drag strip. We're not going to put it against anything else, and you'll see why in a moment, because it's just crazy what it does, and we'll find out exactly how fast it is over the 100 metres. Let's do it. Sam, I thought you were supposed to be driving this.
No.
Just
no.
Not this time.
No.
I actually felt that inside my internal organs. Wow.
Oh my God.
I think that won the race.
Best 2 out of 3?
I think they have to rebuild the engine before they can do that. So
Yeah, I just had a bit of a chest thing, so I thought I'll
yeah,
let
I
him have a
thought
go.
yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in it really. Sam.
No, it's only
one
fair.
thing me being a little bit chicken, but you.
No, it's nice to give someone else a go.
Okay then, do you want another time that this thing did? A mad 2.5 seconds over the 100 metres. And if you pause the video now, you can compare how each of the cars we've run today measure up to one another over the 100 metres. Now before I go, I want to say huge thanks to Ryan at Cyvex for setting this up. Obviously to Al Swahan Drag Racing Centre and Al Ain City Municipality for making this all possible. I'll see you next time.